How to care for hanging orchid plants. Hanging orchids can add beauty and elegance to your space, but they do need proper care to thrive. Follow these steps to keep them healthy and blooming. 1. Lighting. Orchids love bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct afternoon sun, it can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing areas are ideal for hanging orchids. 2. Watering. Water once a week or when the potting medium feels dry. Hanging orchids dry out faster, so monitor moisture often. Use room temperature water and water thoroughly, allowing it to drain completely. Avoid letting water sit at the base, it can cause root rot. 3. Air circulation. Orchids need good airflow around their roots and leaves. Hanging them helps with ventilation, but avoid stagnant, humid areas. 4. Potting medium. Use a mix of bark chips, sphagnum moss, or charcoal, not soil. The medium should allow water to drain and air to reach the roots. 5. Fertilizing. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer 20-20-20 or similar every 2 to 3 weeks. Fertilize during the growing season spring, summer, and reduce in winter. 6. Pruning and maintenance. Remove dead or yellow leaves and spent flower spikes. Check regularly for pests like aphids or mealybugs. Extra tips. Rotate the plant occasionally for even light exposure. If hanging outdoors, protect from strong winds and heavy rain. Repot every 1 to 2 years and the medium breaks down. Thanks for visiting and comment and sharing this video.